Here we got a Sawzall, no power, no start. Yeah, you pop the cover off, just a couple bolts. And it's not quite what I thought it would be, but it's still exactly kind of what I thought it would be. The wire broke, that's all. So let's see if we can fix this up, solder back together, get her going. So I finished the wire connection. Let's hook up this battery. All right, battery's hooked up. I got shocked a few times. Let's check it out. Oh, come on, man. Okay. Oh yeah, this is good. Very good, very good.